you kidding me? Wow, I look like one of those cartoons that they're like, boo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Caleb, the fitness marshal. So what we're doing today is a little opposite fitness, but I know that you like yummy things.
And I need energy for the shoot.
I've got you covered. We're
Some like clean, healthy,
super
good.
clean, healthy Halloween candy.
Great, okay.
So in the past, we've done freeze-dried candy and you guys loved it so much. So today, we are gonna be doing a Halloween-themed freeze-dried candy. Now, Caleb, have you ever had freeze-dried candy before?
I don't think so, actually.
So over here is our $4,000 freeze-drying machine, which this is a commercial unit and this is the smallest one you can get.
That's a full-size washing machine.
This is the price of a car, and this is the cheapest one that is sold. So we stuck different Halloween candies in here, and then my team's gonna bring out one that's the regular candy and one that's the freeze-dried candy.
Let's do it.
Also, my hair is a hot mess. Just pretend like it's a wild spider like that's hanging up on the cupboard over there.
I think it's spooky in a good way.
You have a great hair day.
Well, you know what? I didn't want to say anything, but I'm really feeling good about myself today.
Bring out the first candy. Cheers, witches. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
The poor pumpkin!
Oh!
No.
Whoa.
That's
okay.
so weird. Also, how do you make Frankenstein look even crazier?
Have you ever had Peeps before? Oh, the cute little Peep candy?
In my opinion, one of the best Halloween candy.
Oh, good. Okay, then we've got to evaluate here. I want to try yours. Can I try the little Frankenstein monster?
Yeah, no, this one. I want that one.
Oh, okay. Fine. Here's a regular Peep. Oh, yeah.
I mean, you can't make it better.
Soft, fluffy air with a little, with the nice little sugar coating. You get a little crunch.
It's fun, too, to, like, eat their eyes. Like, oh, I can't see.
All right, now I've got to try this one. Look how big it got. It just poofed up. It's huge.
It almost looks like a little mochi donut or like mochi ball.
It feels so weird.
Do you just like... Bro, that was so good.
Oh my God.
I'm having a good time.
What is this texture? I don't even know how to explain this.
It's almost like if styrofoam were made of sugar.
Edible styrofoam, you guys. Even
if you're hungry and go on a trip, you can put it in a box, you can ship things safely, and then still have a snack.
It's green. It's edible.
We're really saving the planet.
We
one
really
bite
are.
at a time.
Just don't get it wet.
And that applies to so many things in life.
Would you say this is a win or a fail? A freeze-dried marshmallow?
I think this is revolutionary.
Okay, this is a win. If anyone's selling these freeze-dried Peeps on Etsy, buy a bag.
Can I just buy them from you?
Oh my gosh, yes. I'll start a side business, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands and then let's go get another candy. Woo!
All right, candy number 2. Let's see what we have. 3, 2, 1. This is my favorite candy. This is my favorite Halloween candy.
Shut up. They're candy corns and they floofed out.
So what I love is that they didn't change too much.
No.
So it's still basically candy corn.
Oh
it's
my
like
gosh.
candy popcorn.
Look, it just got a little fluffier.
Honestly, I think she's serving more than her.
I like the colors here. They're a little bit more like pastel.
This one looks like it's trying a little bit too hard. We get it. You're vivid. You're vibrant. You've got red dye 40. Like relax.
These look like almost like a cartoon. They're so cute. Let me do a taste test. Candy corn, you guys, is very polarizing. People either love it or hate it. There's not a lot of in between.
What is your opinion?
I'm kind of neutral now. Over
You
the
just
years.
said there's no in between. You just contradicted yourself in the next sentence.
I would say I'm a weirdo.
I love candy corn.
It's really sweet. I like to put a little candy corn in chocolate chip cookies.
I've never had that before.
They're really good.
Please make me some.
Really crunchy.
This could bridge the gap. Whoa. This could bridge the divide between each side of the argument.
Yes. I feel like if you didn't like candy corns, if you had the floofy freeze-dried ones, you might actually have a shot at liking them because it's a little bit lighter.
It's like you have one of these, and then you're like, ooh, okay, like I liked it, but it was intense.
Yeah.
Gosh, she is just, I tell you what, this machine worth every penny. When I tell you, I'm feeling sick though, and it's candy number 2.
We're gonna have to do push-ups.
I literally worked out this morning, Ro. I'm the fitness marshal. What do you expect from me?
You're so fit.
Well, thank you.
We need to hang out more. I'm trying to be real fit, you guys, for my next birthday.
It's so funny because on Instagram, like, you're my inspiration. You're like, yeah, like, I'm like eating better. And then you're like, come over and eat candy.
You gotta have a fun Halloween Yummies day.
I'm so excited. Yeah, you gotta take this from me though.
Okay, are you ready for the next candy? Mm-hmm. Do you have a favorite Halloween candy?
Peeps and candy corn. cannot be beat.
Are you serious?
Oh, dead serious. Unless you have like
Swing,
dots
swing.
back there.
That was me getting 3-pointer shots right there.
I thought you were doing
I
like
only play
Gaga.
basketball. Bring on the next candy. Oh, happy Halloween. Are these freeze-dried?
This is my favorite candy.
These are not freeze-dried. They're both squishy. Which one's freeze-dried?
Well, that's what we're gonna have to figure out.
They smell
I'll
the
tell
same.
you,
They
dots are my favorite candy other than Peeps and candy corn.
I love dots too.
I think I just love sugar.
Everyone tells me that they're too sticky and tacky.
They're
They
not.
stick on your teeth. I like it. The flavor sticks around.
And look, then I have to like spend time
Yeah.
finding the little pieces, and then I
Yeah.
eat less because I'm just like busy.
And my tongue gets a workout because it gets to like go like this. And try to get the gummy off.
Yeah. What I will say is I can't tell the difference.
Are we being pranked?
I think we're being pranked.
This gummy apparently is too dense and the freeze dryer cannot freeze dry it.
So you gave me my favorite candy just to tell me that my favorite candy doesn't work?
Yeah. Thanks for coming over.
So, why did you do that?
Oh my gosh. I was like, I've never seen these. These are ghost dots.
You're so cute.
Do they glow in the dark?
No, but they do disappear.
Shut up. These better not glow in the dark.
Wait, can you put a black light up to my stomach? See if I can catch a ghost.
Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more,
Again.
one more. 1, 2, 3. I got it! No! Okay, let's get a new candy.
It's interesting you said that those dots didn't expand in the freeze dryer, but they are in my stomach.
1, 2, 3. Shut up.
This looks like intestines.
It's a nerd robe, but look how cool yours is.
Oh, mine is like so much cooler than yours.
Mine looks like a frown.
Aw.
It's just frowning. Oh.
I mean, you can for sure try mine.
Okay, break me off a piece. I'm gonna try this one.
See what yours has, because yours is cool too, even though
Really
you can get it in
crunchy?
every gas station in the world.
Really tart.
All right, cheers.
Oh my gosh, cheers. Oh, the crunch is really satisfying. Oh my gosh, like the texture.
This is fantastic.
What is so crazy is that even though it's expanded and got really thin, you didn't lose flavor. You're getting a ton of flavor.
It looks like the cosmos. Like if you just like break it off and look in the inside,
Oh my gosh.
you can see the universe in here. I'm gonna be so sick today.
Okay.
You know what? I'm okay to not eat the rest of this, but that's not
Yeah.
because it's not great.
Great,
It's
we
because
got it.
there is a finite amount of space in my body.
We have to pace ourselves. We have some more candies, but I think this one was a win. This is pretty cool.
I still think our Frankenstein and our Peeps were number 1, but I think this is a solid number 2.
The texture really changed and you didn't lose flavor. Is this your new Bluetooth?
Hello?
For me, it's gonna be my hearing aid.
Aww.
Oh no. Okay, next candy. Ooh.
I literally can't do it.
Are you kidding me? Wow, I look like one of those cartoons that they're like, "Boo," and your eyes like pop out.
Like, yeah, like Scooby-Doo. I think this is disgusting. I actually can't even look at it. Halloween candy that
Yes.
is made to look like body parts,
Yes.
I find repulsive. I will not eat the rest of the day.
So like a bloody finger, or an
Stop.
eyeball, or a brain.
It's not cute to me.
When you think about it, really weird.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah.
I'll for sure eat that.
Because this is like pretend cannibalism. Oh, look
I
at
don't
the
look-
blue
I
eyes.
literally- I actually like
just like, Mike, just like yours.
So
After you've been gaming all night, like, look at that. Okay, let's do a little. Okay, this is a very delicious fruity gummy. Okay.
I'm gonna try it.
Don't look at it, Cameron. Just close your eyes. Oh, I said Cameron. Oh my God, Caleb.
We
I'm
answered.
so
We
sorry.
answered either.
Okay,
Well,
let's
here.
do it. Let's do it.
It's a donut. Oh, now it's a peppermint
Fluffy,
patty.
then, yeah, don't look at the eyeball.
Well, you're making that hard.
Okay, I'll flip it around. I'll flip it around. Oh my God.
I don't like that.
The aftertaste is a little better than the initial taste, but when you eat it, you get all this bitterness. Oh, Caleb, I'm so sorry.
I was enjoying this experience until like 5
Until
seconds ago.
this one. Word of the wise, everybody, if you get one of these, not the translucent
It's
gummies,
so
but the like the creamier, fluffy gummies, the taste does not transfer. The texture is just not a fun crunchy. It's like asbestos. Oh, look, and then the eyeball part is hard as a rock. Listen. Get us away from us! Next candy! Give me a choreography, I'll follow it.
All right, we go whoosh, whoosh, and sprinkle the magic, and hold the broom, and lift.
And lift. Oh my gosh, Caleb, all these body parts, your favorite. Gross. So I got the freeze-dried, and hold up your finger compared to the freeze-dried one. It looks so gross, like so ew.
I literally had to go to the doctor for that.
This is like fungus finger. What's so weird is that like the fingers didn't get that much bigger, but check out the bone. I mean, look at this difference. That's fun.
It almost looks like a dolphin with 2 heads. And that's how they sound.
Oh my gosh, this is the brain? Oh my gosh. Ew.
This is respectable because
Okay,
like I
this is
can't
cute.
see like the actual like neuro pathways or whatever.
Right, those look like little watermelons.
My therapist would say positive reframing.
Positive reframing.
That's what we're working on this week.
Oh my gosh, Caleb, teach me everything.
I would absolutely love to. The first step is don't exploit your friends' weaknesses.
Yes. Oops, I will work on that. All right, now I'm gonna try,
2-headed dolphin.
Okay, 2-headed dolphin. And I'm gonna try, okay, that didn't go well. Well, thanks for coming over. Ready? Oh my, I'm gonna break my tooth. These are hard as a rock.
Almost looks like a little mini toothbrush.
These are so hard. Solid. Okay.
Oh.
I like how to check if I still have my teeth.
Oh, the back one.
These are too crunchy. Ugh, okay.
Are we able to end on a high note?
The problem is, Caleb, is that I don't know what they taste like. So I would give you a candy to end on a high note if I knew which one was good, but I don't know which ones are good.
Can I just make a suggestion?
Yeah, okay.
Not a body part.
Check. Noted.
A boundary's been set. Let's do the next one.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Yes!
Tootsie Rolls. These are classic. These are iconic.
Thank you.
Are they good?
Yes. Because I'm not screaming at you.
This is great. Okay, this makes me excited because I did a video of Will It Cotton Candy and I threw these into a cotton candy machine and it made great cotton candy. And I'm so excited. It looks like they freeze dry well as well.
This is a delight.
These are a bit hard though.
I would really watch out.
They taste great, but they are really hard.
And also, I can like tap your if you want to help.
Yeah, give it a tap. Ooh, okay, I like these, but they are really, really hard. Watch
Really
your
hard.
teeth.
I would maybe moisturize them before.
Next game. I'm excited.
I'm indifferent because I don't know what's coming.
Trick or treat. I really hope that this is a treat and not a trick. I love Werther's. This is probably the most grandma thing about me.
That's my grandma.
But I love Werther's.
Oh my god, I'm a
Oh
kid
my
again, and my parents aren't fighting, and everything is good.
You come to Grandma Rose any day, we'll have our Werther's here.
That's such a kind offer.
Wait, but these are Werther's with a little twist.
Pumpkin.
It's a little pumpkin spicy. Ooh,
I like that. I like that.
pumpkin spice Werther's. Are you kidding me?
Caramel and pumpkin. A match made in Halloween heaven.
These are so weird.
What I will say is I don't love the way they look.
From this to this, it looks like a weird egg.
Let's look at it as a scone.
Oh, I was gonna say something gross. Okay, let's say scone.
Oh, I'm
little
very
roll.
interested to see what you were gonna say.
Did you ever own a cat?
That's not where I thought we were going.
They'd get hairballs
Yep.
and they'd like, bleh, they'd spit it up and it was this kind of color. Oh my God. I love it. Oh
What
my
a
God.
joy!
These
Is
melt
this
in
just
your mouth.
one?
Yeah, this is one.
I'm-
Talk about making your candy last.
Do you have a to-go box?
Yeah. I'll give you a couple of these. You have this little candy, or you can fluff it up and you can enjoy every bite. Same calories, but you get to eat it more.
So much more flavor and keeps you fuller for longer.
These freeze dry really well. If you see Werther's freeze dried candies for sale on Etsy, you can get some.
I would love to partner with you.
I love it.
And we are now
It's
selling,
approved.
and I'm just taking a percentage because I said so.
Yeah, fine with me. We've got one more.
Okay.
And I'm hoping it's as good as this one because this is one of my favorites.
Taste and texture, yes. Look, don't love it. Could improve.
Last candy. 1, 2, 3. What is this? It's a milk dud?
No. No.
What is that?
Is it? Hold on.
Is this a milk? I'm gonna taste one too. I don't even know what candy this is.
Would I have ended on this? No.
But Caleb,
Why, Michael?
it's minty. Oh, that's why.
Oh.
Junior mints, but they're the Halloween junior mints. The color's just a little different.
Yeah.
I thought they were milk duds too, and I got really excited.
Which is one of my favorite candies.
Taking mental notes. See, the more you hang out with people, you learn stuff about them.
So then why didn't you give me milk duds?
In my defense, I didn't know these were coming. But I also apologize because these look terrifying.
What? I think I've had 3 by now and I keep forgetting to taste them.
I like that these stayed together and then these ones just exploded into a mess. Let's try a messy one.
There's a clear winner in my head, and I don't know if you agree.
Which one?
On the count of 3, let's both point to the one that we think is the best. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so when I said 3,
Oh, sorry.
no,
Sorry. I'm not used to the
3,
choreography.
2.
2, 1, go. This is
That's better.
because it has more texture.
Oh, I didn't know why. I just knew that I gravitated towards it. Also, the peppermint's not as like in your face.
In your face.
It's like, again, not trying so hard. Like this and candy corn would get along so well. This is mine.
This looks uglier, but it tastes a little better, and I like the texture a little bit more.
This almost looks like a little pumpkin.
It's a little jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, his little big
His
eyes.
little messed up face.
He's
We
so
love
cute.
it.
He doesn't have many friends, but he has good qualities inside.
So he's gonna make a lot of friends one day. I know.
And a lot of money. No, keep going.
All right, that does it for trying freeze-dried candy. Caleb, do you have a favorite? What was your favorite today?
I actually think it was the very first one we tried. Styrofoam protectant sugar packing
The
candy.
Peeps.
The Peeps.
The Peeps.
Yeah, that's what it was.
I love the Peeps too, but I love Werther's, and I really love the texture of those. A big thank you to my friend Caleb for coming over and putting up with me for this video. He is a rock star. Go show him some love. Go follow him. Click like, subscribe, everything. I'm putting his links down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. It's free. And ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, we're making a bunch for Halloween. You can click up here, and then you say, or here.
Or here. Oh, or here. Or here. Look at this. It's right there.
Or there. Bye, you guys. Happy Halloween.
Bye. Now I gotta go work out.